Welcome to our channel, Health Wealth, your ultimate guide to maintaining good health through nutritious and delicious food. Our content is meticulously crafted after thorough research and consultations with top health professionals. Join us as we explore scientifically backed insights and expert advice to help you make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we are delving into the remarkable benefits of incorporating anti-aging drinks into your daily life and uncover how this simple habit can transform your health and vitality. Several drinks are known for their anti-aging properties due to their rich content of antioxidants, vitamins, and other beneficial compounds that help to combat the signs of aging. Following are some of the top anti-aging drinks that can contribute to healthier skin, a youthful appearance, and overall well-being. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are major contributors to aging. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce skin irritation and prevent wrinkles. Number 2. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly ellagic acid and punicalagin, which can slow down the aging process by protecting cells from oxidative stress. Pomegranate juice can also boost collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin firmness and elasticity. Number 3. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains amino acids like glycine and proline, which support the skin structure and promote healthy joints and gut health. Number 4. Coconut water. Coconut water is hydrating and rich in electrolytes, particularly potassium, which helps to maintain skin moisture and elasticity. It also contains cytokines, which are known for their anti-aging effects, promoting cell growth and division. Number 5. Beet juice. Beet juice is high in nitrates, which improve blood flow and help deliver more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, giving it a natural glow. It also contains vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production and skin repair. Number 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice contains vitamins C and E, both of which are important for skin health and maintaining a youthful appearance. It also has anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties, which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and soothe the skin. Number 7. Matcha tea. Matcha is a type of powdered green tea that contains higher concentrations of antioxidants compared to regular green tea. It's particularly rich in EGCG, which protects the skin from UV damage, reduces inflammation, and improves skin elasticity. Number 8. Turmeric latte. Golden milk turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, largely due to the compound curcumin. Consuming turmeric milk regularly can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin tone, and combat other signs of aging. Number 9. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for skin repair and regeneration, helping to maintain a youthful complexion. Carrot juice also contains antioxidants that protect the skin from sun damage and environmental stressors. Number 10. Lemon water. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Starting your day with lemon water can help detoxify the body, improve digestion, and promote clearer, more radiant skin. Number 11. Berry smoothies. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect the skin from free radical damage. They also contain vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help slow the aging process and keep your skin looking vibrant and youthful. However, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and protect your skin from excessive sun exposure to maximize the benefits. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to optimal health with us. Thanks for watching.